I am going to do the cinnamon challenge, okay? Now,
come on, let's go.
Yeah, what she said, we just did it before, like it when you see this. Okay, ready? Set, go.
You're swimming all over the
That's what I told you, because your laptop clicked. That's why I told you to cover it.
Oh my god. It's all over the top of my laptop.
I told you to cover it.
Okay, I need this.